Kathak eye makeup. Starting off with light brown shade and apply all over your eyelid. After that, take any darker shade, maroon or a brown, and apply it from outer corner to mid eyelid. Then take any golden or any shimmer which complements your skin and apply it from inner corner to mid of your eyelid. Make sure to blend them well. And here I am applying shimmer to my inner corners to enhance that. After that, apply kajal to your upper lash line as well as lower lash lines. And make sure to conceal them with a darker eyeshadow such as brown or black. And the main game starts. Take any eyeliner and start drawing thin line from inner to outer corner. And drag till you make a small wing. Coming back to inner corners, and make sure to enhance your inner corners with your liner. Squint your eyes and drag to your lower lash line. Completing the eye look with a good coat of mascara. This was the option 1. For second option, drag the line from the same wing to the outside and make it more dramatic. Join the line to the center. This is more dramatic than previous one. For option 3, take black eyeshadow and drag a line inwards. Make sure to blend them well so that there's no harsh lines. Take a translucent color and blend them well. And then apply a liner on your lower lash lines as well. To all the ladies who love blush.